morning, everyone. I proceed with my story. There are two characters in my story. Both are farmers of district Mahoba. One day, they both went to their fields and they watch that the crops are not up to the mark and how they are going to survive this year. So the first Ram has said to Sham that government has provided the scheme of Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana, in which they will get 6,000 rupees, and if they are having 5 acres of land. So next day they both went to the Kisan Seva Kendra, where they where they have done the registration for the Kisan Samman Nidhi, and after 6 months they get the some amount of 6,000 rupees, so that they can survive for the whole year, and they can make their bread and butter for whole year. And they decided that from next year they will do the farming by the government schemes only, so that they can make the profits also, and as well as they can get the more production in their fields also. That's all about my story. Thank you very much.
Hello friends, from picture shown to us, I have perceived two characters. Both are male and age lying from 20 to 40. Action of the story: rooftop rainwater harvesting method. Ram, 21, is pursuing B.Tech agriculture. During his vacation, he come to his village where his father told him about the problem of irrigation. So Ram decided to do something for his village and use his education skill. So he preferred rooftop rainwater harvesting method, so that they can collect the rainwater and use for the irrigation purpose and also for the day-to-day life activity. After a few days, complete scenario will change, and all the villagers also take inspiration from the Ram and also install the rooftop rainwater harvesting, so that the problem of the irrigation will change. Thank you. That's all my story.
Friends, I perceive two characters in the picture. Raju, the central character of my picture, is 25 years of age, doing farming, helping his father in the farming. So while he was farming, he recognized or he remembered the one act of the last year. The last year, the next village to him, there was a short circuit fire in the farmer's land, which blew up to 2 hectares of the land, of the cultivated land, which because of that they lost, have got the too much loss. And so because of this, of the remembrance, he told all about this to his father. He discussed, and he also told to his neighboring landowner about this matter, and all over them just cutted a piece of land near a short piece of land around 2 meters, so that they can just save their lands, and put it the bricks over there. Then they have saved their crops. At the end, after the cutting of the crops, they were satisfied by their acts.
Hello friends, I identified mainly two characters from this shown picture, and my main character is Ramesh, who is 30 years old, a student of environmental science in Patna College. One day he visited his village, then saw that their farmers are using old techniques and old technologies in farming, so their production is not being up to the mark. Then after it, he visited to his Mukhiya of the village and said to call a meeting. So he with Mukhiya organized a meeting, and in the meeting he talked about the new technology and new method that can boost up your production, and also talked about the some government schemes such as PMFY, Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, and many more. So after it, the villagers appreciated their efforts. Thank you.
Friends, in this picture I perceive two characters. Both are male and they are positive mood. They are 30 and 35. Ram Mohan and Suresh are best friends, and both are farmer, and they grow sugar cane in their field. They observed that the leaves of the sugar cane become waste, and when they bud, they also become harmful for the environment. So they started a small factory by the help of money which they get from the Kisan Samman Nidhi. And in their factory they made a small basket by the use of this waste material. In this way they give the new earning source to his villagers and also use the waste material. Thank you very much.
Friends, I have perceived two characters from the story. The central character of my story is Rohan, a 19 years old boy who used to study in BSc Agriculture College. He lives in village, and once he got a task of surveying of farmers in his village from his college. When he returned to his village, he started interacting with different farmers. He interacted with farmers and tend to know their problems, what are their experiences in agriculture and all other things. After then he knows their problems and noted them down. Then he also shared his views on that, and he make them know about the new yojnas, that new schemes, new government schemes, and he also tell them new modern agricultural methods as well. Everyone listened him carefully, and after then Rohan submitted the report in his college happily. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I perceived two characters from the picture. Both are male in a positive mood, and their ages are 24 and 38. My action of my story is helping father in the field work, and main character is Rahul, 24. He is a MSc student in Lucknow. He went to his village in the summer vacation. He decided to go to his father's field and to see and to get some experience from him. So he took the lunch from the house and went to the field. He talked with his father and asked about some problems facing by the farmers, and then he also suggested that to use good quality of manure and fertilizers that can help in increasing the production, as well as he also tell about some schemes like Kisan Samman Nidhi to get financial help from the government, and he was very happy to enjoy his summer vacations with his father in the village. Thank you.
Hello friends, I perceive two characters in my story. Hari, 22 years old, BSc Agriculture student. Once college organized an event on the production of sugarcane. Then he went to his field with his father and know about the production and procedure of sugarcane. Then he back to the home and assignment completed his assignment, and next day he went to the school and submitted his assignment to the college teachers, and teachers appreciate him to know about the assignment, and he wants the first prize in this assignment. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. In my story, I've perceived two characters. The central character of my story is Ram. He's a 32-year-old villager and a farmer also. And the second is 45-year-old Suresh. My action of my story is preparing a wooden bridge for the convenience of villagers. One day, Ram was in his farms. He saw there was a river crossing through farms. He saw that by making a bridge through the river, he can save the time for all the villagers, and it can be helpful for the students also who have to travel a lot kilometer to go to school or to travel another city. So he, with the help of his friend Suresh, talked to the villagers and motivated them and collected funds and required material. And with the help of villagers, they start developing a wooden temporary bridge to cross the river, and they have done so. And this was very helpful for everyone, as when after that any emergency comes, so they can easily travel to that wooden bridge and can save their time. Thank you.
Gentlemen, I saw two characters from the picture. Both are my character are male and their age is around 42 to 44, and both have positive mood. The action is discussion is going on regarding the crop storage and transportation problem. Now the storyline is as both the farmers on a sunny morning were going through the farms and were discussing the problem right now. Then my Lakhan said that we can use the decade-old Anganwadi school out there, which is no longer in use. We can redevelop that, and after that we can store our crops there. Then Mukesh agreed to him the plan, and then Mukesh said, what about the second problem, the transportation? To this problem, the Lakhan said that we can go to Sarpanch and ask for the tractors he had at the low cost, and we can utilize those tractors to give the crops to the mandis. So both went to the Sarpanch with the idea, and Sarpanch was very happy and agreed to them to the point, and then the Sarpanch helped them. To this point, the farmers of the village were able to give their crops in the produce market agriculture at the optimum time and could produce the optimum profit out there. Thank you.
To facilitate your discussion, we'll have two groups in this, right? So let's say 154 से पहले कौन बैठा भाई? 153. 153 to 165 will be one group, and the balance will be the second group. So we'll hear the second group first. Please start.
117 and we gave two ideas of solar panel.
I want to give
because their awareness is important. Crop production increasing and government schemes, government prices and awareness. Four basic goals. We have agreed on four basic goals. Increase of production, government schemes, and food prices and awareness. Through awareness, we can tell everyone about the government schemes and food awareness and increase the production. Then solar panels and modern technologies also important.
Okay, let's go ahead.
Okay, second group please.
Everyone point and can conclude to one story. We can see that they were farmers. We all know they were farmers. Farmers of farming.
We can make also youth that one is working in a video office. So
You can see the attire. You can see the attire of them. Both were wearing attire of farming. Both were wearing attire of farming. Both were wearing attire of farming. That is the reason. There are traveling problem, so we can add the bridge one. In dragging there was no need of river. There was no shoal of river. How can we add bridges on that? There was no field there.
We can make a
I can easily made a stream on field only.
we can also set up here.
That means that we are talking about the farming problem faced by the farmers in the village.
we can make
Like farming, agriculture, bridge one also, and can all we can make section of crop.
we can
We can make
also use solar panel because
as in the picture we have everyone I want to say that working on agriculture, he is solving agriculture problem. Secondly, he also destruction of forest. We can we can also add a problem of animals that harm the soil. We can use that in destruction part. We can use that in destruction part.
now
we can conclusion of this. Okay, but we can see the both persons having the podcasts that.
Okay, right, gentlemen, last 2 minutes to make a story all together. Okay, all right, gentlemen, have you made a group story? Yes, sir. Let's hear it.
I want we will assist you.
162 will go with 162.
166.
166. 166.
Okay, I support. First, I am concluding. If you want to add some point, you can add also. Make sure thank you for nominating me. I want to go with concluded story that Ram, BSc agriculture student, on his holiday, he visits to a village. He sees there is a agriculture problem, decomposition of plants. Secondly, transportation problem. That for transporting crops, we have to take a long route, or we have to give more time. There is a low supply of energy, or so for that we can use solar energy. So I want to conclude that Ram is a BSc agriculture student. On his vacation to his village, he goes, sees there are agriculture problems and farmers are not sufficient to conduct or agriculture full land. So for this, he tells everyone the government schemes and everything about farming. Secondly, he sees there is a power shortage of electricity in the village. So for this, he told everyone about the solar panels that can be included in the city for more energy. Third, he sees that there are problems related to decaying of remain plants. So he gives idea about decomposing through land and also decomposing by using as a fertilizer. Fourth, he sees that there is a transportation problem also. For that, for transporting crops, they have to travel a lot. For this, he also gives idea to bring a temporary bridge, which will decrease the time. Thank you, sir. This is our story.
Okay, yeah.
Sir, I think I can conclude more better.
Okay, then let's see this.
So the group story, common story, I want to say that both are farmers from Tamil Nadu region and both are discussing various problems regarding the production of crop. For this thing, they address the issue that they can buy the high yield seeds through that, and for the money purpose they utilize them through the NABARD bank at a low interest rate. They use the scheme through that money, and also they enroll themselves in the Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana. From the quarterly amount that they get from the scheme, they use that scheme to purchase the high yield fertilizer also, so that their crop production will increase. Now to the second concern regarding the energy electricity. The farmer said that we can use the solar power panel, and for this also the government is providing at the subsidy rate. So the Solar Corporation of India, under the scheme of rooftop scheme, provides solar panel and battery charges and all the equipments that are required for the purpose, and they install them in there and they resolve the electricity prices out there also. And regarding the transportation problem, they created a temporary bridge out there, and through that bridge the time for the delivery of the crops have been cut by nearly a quarter of the time, so they can deliver their crops at a optimum time, and so that they can produce more gain from their crop. Thank you. For the crop production, they use the high yield seeds. And yes, they also refer to better irrigation method, and other farmers also inquired them regarding the schemes that they use. Then they give them general awareness regarding the schemes, so that everyone could get profited from the government schemes.
So, yeah, anybody else wants to say anything? Yeah.
So I just want to say that at the time of the discussion, we have decided that we will take both the men as father and son, and my friend forgot to mention that.
We'll both take what?
Father and son. The relation should be father and son at the time of decision.
Oh. Sit down. Anything else?
Sir, I want to say that they are not father and son because you can see the dressing sense of them. They both are in farming dress, I think. A turban is there and a dhoti they are wearing. So father and son they are not. They are only a farmer. Two farmers are there in the picture. I hope so.
Please sit down. 110. Your speaking is good. You speak confidently. Your mannerism is all right. But I found you again a story you could not make well. You described picture moreover. Conclusion part I still needs should be improved further. All right. And stage one I kept you on a border, but by the time the discussion took place, too much of noise. You also added to noise without making any further contribution. So overall, I said no for you stage one. Okay.
Yes, 110 performance was initially when you narrated it was nice, and you added unnecessary discussion when conclusion was brought. So there was no need to add on, and you were the way you were insisting. It was you were little aggressive as well. Whereas if you see 154, he added his point but with a smile. So that is his art of adding a point. So once a common story is given, try to agree with that and don't create again a GD. You were trying to create a GD with 154. So that was the point which led your overall finalization into this one. Otherwise narration was nice, and the Kisan's Samman Nidhi you had highlighted, farming by government schemes you had highlighted, and you were trying to convince everyone in GD. So overall efforts were going in positive direction, but few areas are there where